Today we will be analyzing the US stock market. Hey everyone, this is Super Swing Trader. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. Now this chart is the chart of the S&P 500 weekly chart, so every candle represents 1 week of time. Let me clear this up because these drawings have been outdated. So as you can see, there's a very strong area of, not that strong, but this is a valid area of demand. So if price wants to drop down here, this is a great place to go long. It's been getting some bearish and bullish with a bullish pin bar candle right here, so it could go up higher before it wants to retrace down here. As you can see, every time there's bullish pin bar, these pin bar candles, it wants to go up. So this candle looks like we could be having some more upside before it comes back down to this weekly demand area where longs will be possible again. Let's take a look at the Qs. This is the Nasdaq Composite. The Qs is a little bit overextended, but this drawing is still valid. It's got a strong area of tested on departure, but it's a strong area of demand down here. Well, you could draw it like this actually. So this is a weak basing zone, but if it retraces down here, it could go up higher. But overall, if you look at the higher time frame charts, it's overextended. Right down here would be a very good opportunity to go long, even down here, even up here. Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial, DIA. Same thing, there's a strong area of demand right here. This one must be a zone from a higher time frame, but overall very bullish. It may have a 20%, 25% retracement down here, but it's not going to crash, or not likely to crash. So overall, very bullish on the US markets. That is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on that bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.